Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about what is the biggest current threat to the environment. And I want to ask you all, how would you suggest we remedy it? The environment plays a significant role to support life on Earth. And I'm sure you all know about this. The environment is the home of all living beings, and it sustains the life on the Mother Earth. But there are some issues that are causing the damage to life and the ecosystem of the Earth. It is related to not only the environment but with everyone that live on the planet. Besides, the main source is a pollution, global warming, greenhouse gas, and many others. The everyday activities of humans are constantly degrading the equality of environment, which is ultimately the result in the loss of a survival condition from the earth. Environmental issues were not a matter of concern in the years gone by. People were not aware of the grave implications of environmental degradations. Lack of awareness lead to the more damage to the environmental. With the rise internet, everyone is aware that environmental issue today. Not all of them understand that the deeper meaning of each one of those issues. However, given the state on the earth, people realize that all is not well. Everything is not good. There is a way which every person care for the environment. Some people respect it. Some try to nurture it. The crucial issue related to the situation today are mainly is a global warming, greenhouse effect, and climate change. Global warming is in the increase of the temperature of the earth due to overconsumption of resources. It leads to another environmental issue like change in the temperature, soil erosions, and abnormal rainfall. Like you all see right now, the climate does not, we cannot expect when the rain want to fall, and in another 1 second it suddenly become a hot like that. Global warming can be tackled through the control of a pollution level, lower vehicular emissions, and a person carbon footprint. The greenhouse effect is named after the greenhouse arrangement, such as arrangement is usually made for the growth of a plant. It consists of non-permanent structure with a steady enclosure. The greenhouse effect refer to the rise of the carbon dioxide. Similarly, plant take an in action in the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Rapid deforestation lead to a plant to take in the carbon dioxide rapid deforestation lead to the reduction in the number of tree and plant in an environment. Therefore, there are very few plants to take in the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. We must remember that humans are not only source of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere through the factories too. There are other reasons for the emission of the carbon dioxide into the air. This carbon dioxide remain in atmosphere if not taken by the tree. Excess carbon dioxide can lead to breathing problem and other medical problem in the future. Greenhouse gas constitute not only carbon dioxide but other harmful gas like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. The best way to minimize the effect of greenhouse gas is a afforestation program. Already, a large number of afforestation program has been taken up by the government of the various countries social forestry program and community forestry program can also help the rapid afforestation. Also, to check the spread of harmful gas in the atmosphere, environmental law can be made more potent and effective. Climate change is a relative new environment issue. There is already a large number of research going to concerns of climate change. The definition of climate change makes it clear that the climate change affects the human life slowly. This includes a change in the climate patterns and behavior that can affect of human settlement. Climate change is a problem that has both the element of global warming and the greenhouse effect. It is expected to cause massive scale displacements in the coming years. So there are many ways of saving environment. First of all, planting the tree should be given massive attention. Above all, a tree is the source of oxygen. Growing more tree means more oxygen. Hence, growing more tree would mean better life quality. Similarly, to people must give attention to the forest conservation. Forests are the vital for the environment. So the government must launch the program to conserve the forest. The government must take the harming forest in the criminal offense. Other than that, soil conservation is yet another important way to save the environment. For this, there must be control of the landslides, floods, and soil erosions. Furthermore, there should be also afforestation and tree plantation to conserve the soil. Also, terrace farming and using the fertilizer are some more ways. In addition, waste management is a powerful way of protecting the environment. There must be a proper disposal of the waste. Most noteworthy, this would help to keep the surrounding healthy. The government must ensure that to clean the streets and other polluted land areas. At the end, I can say that it is a responsibility of each one of us to do our bit for the environment. Let's work together and toward the greener and more sustainable future. Our life are entirely built on our natural environment. We must not change the natural environment into the artificial one. That's all from me. So thank you for listening. Bye.